If your emulator is running slow, stuttering or freezing, or you're seeing a Hyper-V error, or it just won't open at all, you probably don't need a new PC. You just need to turn on or fix one setting, and I'll very quickly show you how. First, let's check if virtualization is turned off on your system. Right-click on your taskbar. Open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Then click CPU. Look down here. If it says Virtualization Disabled, that's the problem. Virtualization allows your processor to run multiple emulators properly. Without it, everything runs slower, and in some cases, apps won't even open. This is also what causes a lot of Hyper-V errors. To fix it, restart your computer. As it turns back on, press your BIOS key. Now, this usually is delete, but it could be F2, F10 or F12. If you're not sure, just search Enter BIOS plus your PC model. Once you're in the BIOS, your screen may look different to mine, and that's completely normal. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to tap across to the Advanced tab, then look for a section like CPU or Configuration. Tap your down arrow over it and hit Enter. Now here's the key part. If you have an Intel processor, look for Intel Virtualization Technology or VTX. If you have an AMD processor, look for SVM mode or AMD-V. When you find it, tap to it, hit Enter, and change it from disabled to enabled. Now save and exit. On some mini PCs, this is done by pressing F4, but on others, it's usually F10. So look for the on-screen key for save and exit for your system. Then confirm. Your computer will restart normally. Once you're back in Windows, open Task Manager again. Go to the CPU tab. And check the same line. If it now says enabled, you're all set. At this point, your emulator should run much smoother, and most Hyper-V related issues should now be resolved. If that fixed your problem, comment VT fixed below. If you're setting up Knox or still having issues, check out my full setup and troubleshooting guides linked below. And if you want more guides like this, make sure you're subscribed. You can also follow me on X, check out unboxd.tech, and join channel memberships for access to our private members-only chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.